Hello guys, one of the subscribers just asked me that what is the affiliate programs which we can promote as a photographer or videographer, because he is a guy who teaches video content as well as photography on YouTube. So he wants to promote the affiliate program. So if you are one of those who are interested in photography and videography and want to and create content on that stuff, then I'm going to show you what are the best affiliate programs which a photographer can promote, and these are very trusted affiliate programs which will help you earn very good money. Okay, so let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because photography is one of the profession which many of the people are taking nowadays, and very large amount of population are doing this type of profession because this profession is easy to do, and you are just free. Okay, you don't have to work a 9 to 5 job. If you are a photographer, okay, you can do it freely. Okay, so this is a very good profession. I personally like this profession and many other people also do, and some of them ask me about the questions, how can I do affiliate marketing being a photographer. So today I'm going to show you what the other programs which you can promote as a photographer and start earning money. Okay, so this is the website, the link I will give in the description, but firstly check out what I am telling is what I am recommending the first. Okay, the first is the Amazon affiliate program which you can join. This is a very good affiliate program which you can join, and you can promote softwares as well as equipments which are related to your niche. Okay, so if you are a video creator on YouTube, or you are creating content like you are posting your photos on Instagram, then you can promote this type of stuff which is related to photography from Amazon. Okay, you can find, for example, like cameras and many other gimbals and many other tripods, all that stuff. You can promote that stuff using Amazon. Okay, now if you don't want to promote a physical product, then I am gonna tell you one of the program. Okay, Clickbank. Okay, so if you want to promote something like a course related to photography, how to teach photography, and that type of stuff, a digital program related to photography, then Clickbank is one of the best platform where you can find this type of software. Okay, all you have to do is just sign up for Clickbank. It is absolutely free. You can find some photography related programs on Clickbank, and you can promote those programs also utilizing your audience. That's also really simple. All you need to have is a good Instagram account, okay, related to photography, or a good YouTube channel related to photography. This method can also be applied on Pinterest. Okay, so if you want to know how to promote Clickbank products, okay, then I have shown you in many of the videos. You can check out my channel, other videos. There are many of the Clickbank promotion methods available. Okay, but if you are really interested in photography, then what you have to do is just apply that method on photography, and you can just start making money out of it. One of the best program is that Adobe also gives its affiliate program. The best thing about Adobe's affiliate program is that you can get recurring commissions. Okay, so once someone signs, and as long as he stays with the program, you earn recurring commission every single time. So that's really awesome, which you can earn. Okay, so that's really good. Okay, so you can also promote this program. This is very trusted program, and no one can and you are not spamming people or not giving any wrong recommendation to the people, because Adobe is the most trusted platform, and almost 90% of the creative individuals who are related to videography, photography use Adobe related software. So this is also one of the best thing which you can promote. Okay, as a photographer, if you are creating content on Instagram, on YouTube, okay, related to photography, there is this also another software. Many of the softwares are available over here. You can see that. Okay, Pick Spa as well as I Am Creator, Shopify, Wix. Okay, now I will show you some more softwares which I recommend. Okay, which would be very. You can also just join this Canon's one. Okay, Canon's affiliate program, and you can just review this type of cameras and all that stuff which you are using as a professional photographer, and you can directly just sell through Canon's official website and earn a commission of 2.5%, and that's also possible. Okay, so if you want to do that, you can do that stuff. And one of the best thing is Udemy. Okay, you can just promote the courses related to photography using Udemy. If you want, you can create your own course, and if you want, you can promote someone else's course. Okay, so that's also possible. Skillshare is also one of them. Paylearn, Teachable, all this platform you can promote courses, find courses in this platform and promote those with your content. Okay, if you have an Instagram page and 10k followers, just you can just place a link, this type of affiliate link from which you get from here into your stories, and you can share those. Okay, and that's also possible. And Skillshare and YouTube, you can provide the affiliate links in the description of your YouTube channel if you are a content creator. So one of the best method to promote in any niche is via content creating. So that's the best and most powerful way to earn money with affiliate marketing. You must learn how to create content, what to do, what not to do, because if you start creating content, you start building an audience. Okay, and the best thing about content is it is free to create and free to share to the whole world. Okay, that's a really great way. Okay, so if you are really want to make big money with affiliate marketing, no matter in whatever niche you are, first of all and first of the thing which you should learn is to create content related to your niche or skill. Okay, that's really very important. Okay, so some of the people have the skill of photography, so what they can do is create content around photography. Some may have skill in cooking, so they can create content around cooking. Some may have a skill in dancing, so they can create content around dancing. And affiliate programs for almost each and every niche are available, and if you are creating content, you can promote all those affiliate programs and monetize your stuff and earn really good money out of it. So this is really an awesome way, or an awesome these are really some awesome affiliate programs for a photographer, from which he can earn very good amount of money. So if you like this video, then what I recommend to you is this: check out this other videos on my channel. These videos will also provide you a ton of value about affiliate marketing, make money online and online business. So if you are an entrepreneur or are going to become an entrepreneur in the online field, then I definitely say to you that you should subscribe to this channel, and you will get all this content and all this stuff. Okay, then thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.